Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to send images and PDFs to Claude using the API. Claude isn't limited to processing text. You can also send images and PDF documents through the API. This allows Claude to analyze screenshots, charts, scan documents, forms, reports, manuals, and many other types of visual content alongside your text prompts. Using the official Anthropic SDK makes working with images and PDFs straightforward. In this guide, you'll install the SDK, verify your API credentials, and then test separate examples for sending both image files and PDF documents to Claude. The first step is to open your terminal. If you haven't already installed the official Anthropic SDK, you'll need to do that first. Run the installation command for the official Anthropic package using your preferred package manager. The SDK contains the functionality required to communicate with Claude's API and supports multimodal requests, including images and PDF files. Wait until the installation finishes successfully before continuing. Next, you'll need to make sure your application can authenticate with the API. Still inside your terminal, run the command that verifies your Anthropic API authorization key is active in your current environment. This confirms that your application has access to your API credentials before attempting to upload any files. If the verification succeeds, you're ready to begin testing multimodal requests. The next step is to test sending an image. Run the provided script that sends image files to Claude. The example script demonstrates how to load an image file, include it in an API request, send accompanying text instructions, submit the request to Claude, receive Claude's analysis of the image. You can adapt the same approach for many different image types, including screenshots, photos, charts, graphs, diagrams, UI mockups, receipts, scanned documents. Once the image example is working correctly, you can move on to PDF documents. Return to your terminal. Run the provided script that sends PDF files to Claude. This example shows how to include a PDF document in your API request so Claude can analyze its contents alongside your prompt. Depending on the document, Claude can assist with tasks such as summarizing reports, explaining technical manuals, extracting important information, answering questions about the document, reviewing contracts, analyzing research papers, processing business documents. After running both scripts successfully, you've confirmed that your application can communicate with Claude using multimodal inputs rather than plain text alone. From this point, you can build much more advanced workflows that combine text, images, and documents within the same application. To summarize, sending images and PDFs to Claude through the API begins by opening your terminal and installing the official Anthropic SDK if it isn't already installed. Next, verify that your API authorization key is active so your application can authenticate successfully. After authentication has been confirmed, run the provided example script that demonstrates how to send image files to Claude for analysis. Once that's working, run the second example script that submits PDF documents to Claude, allowing the model to read, analyze, summarize, and answer questions about their contents. By combining multimodal file support with the official Anthropic SDK, you can build applications that process much more than plain text. Whether you're working with screenshots, scanned documents, charts, reports, forms, or PDFs, Claude can analyze visual and document-based information alongside your prompts, enabling powerful workflows for automation, research, document processing, customer support, and countless other real-world applications. And that's how to send images and PDFs to Claude using the API. By installing the official Anthropic SDK, verifying your API credentials, and using the provided examples for both image and PDF requests, you'll be able to build multimodal applications that let Claude understand and analyze visual content as well as traditional text. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.